Hey YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the design team package for Inloveartshop. I've designed for them in the past. In fact, I designed for them before they changed the name to Inloveartshop, and so they asked me to do some more again. So I said yes because I was busy previously when I was doing it. I had stopped, and now I'm starting back with them. So I just got a couple items. So this one is a stamp set, and the stamps are larger than I thought they were going to be, but I thought it was kind of a unique stamp set because it had all of your basic social media icons, and you have up here your Facebook, you got Twitter, you got YouTube, Google, excuse me, Pinterest, you know, Apple. So you got plenty of social media ones, and actually you can even use this in your planner. If you're a social media planner, so you got, you know, 9 stamps that you can use. So that was pretty cool. So I will try something with that. So when I come out with my next video, I will actually make something with it. And this is a fan die. So I'm looking forward to making some embellishments out of that. And then these are some word dies. So this is just some of your sentiments like congratulations, miss you, nice. You know, talk about reading backwards. Ampersand, let's see. Kisses, hugs and kisses. Love. Don't let me get you the lion. Get me the lion. Good. Can't read all the rest of them backwards, but get well. You will see them when I cut them out. So all of those word sentiments. And then last but not least, I got this 2-part die, and this one, you know, has the hearts around it. So you have 2 different squares, and you have the hearts around it. And let me look at the size on this one. I'm just curious what the actual size is. So on the outer one, basically at the square part, it's like 4.5, and then you have the heart sticking out on the side, so it actually makes it to like 5, roughly to 5 at the largest point. And then from this direction, it's like 5 and 5 1/8. So, but if you don't count the heart shapes, it is like 4 3/4. So, not an A2 size, but these are actual squares, not rectangles. But you can still do a lot with that. So, I plan on making some cards with that, and probably even putting some sentiments in there, maybe, and then we can see. But anyway, so that's my design team project, and when I come back, I will show you what they look like. But I just want to give you a heads up that I received the package for them, and you will have a code down in the bottom. You see all the links below to all of these, so please check them out in my description box, their website, and the codes and everything, the links. So, all right, take care. God bless. And I dare you to be creative.